Are you stuck choosing between Python and JavaScript for your next career move? Let's break it down, because the answer isn't as straightforward as you might think. First up, Python. It's the kingpin in data science, machine learning, and automation. If you love numbers, patterns, or the idea of teaching computers to think for themselves, Python is your ticket. Companies in finance, healthcare, and big tech are desperate for Pythonistas, and the pay reflects that. In the US, the average Python developer salary hovers around $120K a year, but if you specialize in AI or data, you can push well above that. Now, JavaScript. If you're drawn to building things people see and use, websites, apps, interactive dashboards, JavaScript is your jam. It's the backbone of the modern web. Every business, from scrappy startups to global giants, needs web talent. The average salary for a JavaScript developer in the US sits near $110K, but full-stack devs or those rocking frameworks like React or Node.js can command much more. But here's the thing, it's not just about salary. Python roles often mean working behind the scenes, crunching data, or automating workflows. JavaScript puts you front and center, shaping what people interact with every day. Freelancers? Python gigs pay more per hour, especially in data-rich industries, but JavaScript has more freelance opportunities thanks to the endless demand for web projects. So, which should you choose? Think about what excites you. Do you want to solve real-world problems with data, or build cool stuff for the web? Both paths are booming in 2025. Pick the one that lights you up, because that's where you'll find the best opportunities and the highest rewards. Good luck, and happy coding.